it's Jay and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Babybliss hair straightener and curler in one. So let's get started. What's the difference between this and a regular straightener? Okay, so how is this hair straightener different to any other one you would get? So the same is for the middle. You've got your two heated plates, pretty straightforward. However, what makes this a really exceptional straightener is the outer plates. Now, as you can see here, we've got a little bit of rubber to help protect our fingers, but then we've got these other plates. Now, as you can see, the hair straightener is already on, and I'm not gonna touch the middle, but I can touch this outside really easily because it's only just warm. So it actually only heats the middle part, but keeps the outer side warm. And what this helps with is when you're curling your hair, it means that not just the hair on the inside is getting heat around it. So this is going to help to give it a more smoother finish and make sure that all the hair has been heated through before it cools. So the main reasons why I love this hair straightener is because it makes the hair so much more silkier. It is so much quicker to straighten hair, and when you're in a rush or a hurry, whether that's to get to work to do your hair or for me to do wedding hairstyles, it is so important to have a tool that is super quick. Also, I just find that it just leaves the hair looking so much better. And like, not even just more shiny, but just like more healthy. Like, I just think it straightens the hair so much better than any other high-end straightener that I've ever used. Another great thing is because it is a really unique style and shape, it is so much easier to curl with. Having it thinner around the insides and having no plastic around the outside is such a game changer for reducing the frizz, but also making it so much easier to glide across the hair. When I used to curl with just a regular straightener, especially because I have long hair, I'd find my hair would get stuck in little bits or just come out not looking that great, as it would get caught on something, or it was because it was going over the plastic. But this one is like one of the only straighteners that actually works, I find, on long hair consistently. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I straighten and curl my hair with it. So I've already straightened this front section. As you see, it is so much less frizzier than this other part over here. So I'm just going to show you again how I straighten. I can grab such large sections that I normally wouldn't be able to do, especially because I have extremely like frizzy hair. It's probably hard to see fully in this, but it is very frizzy. Guys, look at that. Look how much better it straightens. I almost need to go and grab a different straightener to show you just how good this is. Now to do a curl. Disclaimer, I'm not the best curler as a general with a straightener, but I can do it with my Babybliss. I think that's a really nice soft curl. You can curl with all the different hair straightener techniques out there. I know TikTok at the moment is blowing up with all the different techniques. So I just wanted to show you a few of the things that I did with this Babybliss. So the straightening the hair where it is so smooth literally took me a few seconds. And then these two different curls that I created. Now I wanted to show a bit of a direct comparison of how well it does straighten compared to another good straightener I have. So this is the Muke straightener. It's an Australian brand and it retails for around $90. So I'm just going to show you at the exact same temperature how well this one straightens compared to the Babybliss. First off, in comparing the two straighteners, this one literally took about 5 seconds and it was up to heat. This one has already taken 2 minutes and I'm still waiting for it to get up to heat. So that's already, if you're rushing in the morning, having a straightener that can quickly get to the heat that you need is so worth it, because that time really adds up of just sitting and waiting for a tool to heat up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my Muke. I'm gonna use it on the back one here and just do the exact same technique as I'm gonna do with the other one. And I'm just slowly... I find that the hair doesn't slide as well on other straighteners compared to the Babybliss. If you can see there, it's still got a little bit of a kink on the end and it's already recurled itself. So now I'll grab the Babybliss and doing the exact same thing. Oh guys, this glides so much easier. look at the difference. This one still has a curl in it. This one probably does need a little bit extra second round because it was fully curled. So I've just gone and done like literally 1 minute max of straightening all my hair with huge chunks, just to show you how quick that has tamed so much in my hair. I hope you enjoyed this review, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, if you'd like me to review any other products or hair tools, just DM me on my Instagram or comment down below.